and some information on it. It comes with a all that you see here, and I had to assemble the top half. It was a bolt, and then I put it on this end here. It's a bolt right on the heel. You tighten that in. It's supposed to be tightened at 70 foot-pounds, but I didn't have a torque wrench, so I just hand tighten it down. And she comes in at 400 feet per second, and she has a draw pull of 200 pounds. So they were saying that was good enough for whitetail, you know, trophy whitetail. So I just got a couple of extra things with it, and like I say, I got these little carbon arrows here. And so I have a box of those. It's like 20 in a box, and I thought they was like $29. My broadheads were like $20 for 100 grain. It's a 2-inch cut on the broadhead, and I was just giving you an unboxing of this. It's a pretty good bow. I looked on YouTube and I saw the draw poundage. I liked it at 200 pounds, and it was like 400 feet per second, so that's pretty good for whitetail hunting. So I was just coming here to show you a little brief video on the new purchase I got, and I'm gonna do a field test on it, and I'll get back with some shooting videos, and when I get me a block, and show y'all how it groups at 100 yards. So like and subscribe this video, Crossbow YouTube channel. God bless.